The cell phone that saved the Matrix 20 years ago is back. I'm Mr. Mobile, and this year at the Mobile World Congress, we're saying hello, again, to the original banana phone. Just like last year, Nokia and nostalgia go hand in hand. The 8110 4G is a modernized revamp of the original 8110, the phone that first popularized the slider form factor back in 1997. Fun fact, while the iconic prop from The Matrix included a spring-loaded mechanism to pop out the slider, the original 8110 did not. And the new one doesn't either. Still, it's an awful lot of fun to slide the cover down to expose the numeric keypad, which also turns on the display. In a time when voice calls were still king, sliders made talking on cell phones feel more natural to a generation of folks raised on the receiver, and the 8110 went the extra mile with a strong curve to the casing, which gave it its banana phone nickname and has been faithfully replicated on the new phone. There's a lot here that would have seemed outrageously futuristic back in '97, like the bright color screen, 4G radios, and a camera rated for a whopping 2 megapixels. Making all that work is KaiOS, a feature phone platform that can run HTML5 apps including Facebook, Twitter, and Google Maps. That low-profile OS and Snapdragon 205 processor mean Nokia can promise 9 hours of talk time and over 3 weeks of standby. When you do recharge, you'll use micro USB. It's an old port, sir, but it checks out. And you'll also notice a headphone jack for the FM radio. Or if you're a Napster addict, you can load some MP3s into the 4 gigs of onboard storage. Because of the LTE radio, this phone should actually make some pretty clear calls over VoLTE. And when you're done schooling your friends with Frasier jokes until they're a bunch of angry beavers mad about you declaring yourself king of the hill, well, you can hang up on them just by closing the slider. So to get in on another round of Snake this spring, you need to do 4 things. 1. Save up €79, because that's what it'll cost. 2. Retrain your thumbs to text with a numeric keypad, and a kind of mushy one at that. 3. Decide whether you want it in traditional black or banana yellow. And 4. Make sure you live in either Europe or China, because those are the initial launch markets. The 8110 4G goes on sale in May. This video was brought to you by Thrifter. Thrifter is a new way to save money on everything from gadgets to home goods by shopping based on value and not hype. Check out the latest deals at thrifter.com and tell them Mr. Mobile sent you. Folks, if you're down in the comments wondering why my voice sounds different, it's because I'm recording in Barcelona at MWC 2018. Follow me at the Mr. Mobile on Instagram for up to the second news, and subscribe here on YouTube for more videos just like this. Until next time, thanks for watching, and stay mobile, my friends.